Hey my little friends, you're watching BrightKids Academy. Today we will learn body parts. Name? Let's start. This is my face. These are my eyes. This is my eyebrow. This is my nose. These are my lips. These are my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my mouth. This is my ear. This is my head. This is my cheek. This is my chin. These are my hairs. This is my neck. This is my shoulder. This is my hand. These are my fingers. This is my chest. This is my stomach. This is my leg. This is my knee. This is my foot. Let's revise. Are you ready, kids? Head, hairs. Eyebrow, eyes. Nose, ear, neck, chest, hand, stomach, finger, knee, leg, food. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning.